Hey there, this is Mata from Layers, and in this video I'm going to talk about managing location on Layers app. First of all, let me tell you what location means in Layers. Location can be anywhere you prefer. It can be the address of the place where you stock inventory or your sales office. Keep in mind that this section might be observed by your customers if you choose pickup as a shipping option for your customers, which we will discuss in the next videos. Go to Layers.app/admin/settings. Then choose Locations. Now let's create a new location. Click on Add New Location. After that, you're asked to name this location. It can be anything you want. You can call it a sales office or anything else you prefer. Then you have to add the country, state, and the city of the specified location. You can also type the exact address in the blank space provided. As the last step, you can add its postal code and the associated phone number. Now we successfully defined a new location. Note that you can edit the information simply by clicking on them. You can also right-click on the location and delete it. Remember, you can add as many locations as you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have more questions, stay in touch through the chat box on our website.